Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2. And this is Tempo. And this is Brian.
And that is Val.
We lived a little bit longer in 6-count. We went over Frankie sixes again, but mostly we just focused on like 6-count basic and moving it around with or without triple steps, mostly without.
Without. We talked first about moving yourself and then bringing your partner with you. Hey, you can do a lot of rotation around or a little bit. And then we brought that into 8-count. Hey, wah, ba, boom, ba, ba, hey, move yourself, bring your partner.
Yeah, same thing, hey, you can be around you, you can boom. Be a little bit more down the line.
Wah, ba, hey.
Followers, we talked about how you want to step underneath yourself and try not to guess and just like allow yourself to be moved around while stepping. And sometimes you will notice that in order to move, you need to do that step, and it's an 8-count.
We did the same thing where instead of moving yourself first and then your partner leaders, you move your partner then yourself. Boop, hey, boop, ba, hey, wee. In both 6 or 8. Wah, ba, hey. And that's what we did.